Unraveling English. Harnessing the power of which in defining relative clauses. Hello everyone, and welcome to another session of Unraveling English. Today we are going to unravel the mysteries of which in defining relative clauses. We'll understand its role and learn how to use it effectively in our sentences. So buckle up, and let's dive right in. Before we delve into which, let's remind ourselves what defining relative clauses are. These are clauses that give essential information about the noun that precedes them. They aren't just added information, but vital to understanding the sentence. Here's an example. The book that I am reading is very interesting. The clause, that I am reading, is defining which specific book we're talking about. Now let's bring which into the picture. The word which is often used in defining relative clauses to refer to a thing or things. This thing can be an object, a situation, or an entire clause that was mentioned before. It helps in making our sentences more precise and informative. Look at this sentence. I didn't like the movie, which was too long. Here, which is referring to the movie and gives us extra, but necessary, information about it. In defining relative clauses, we use which primarily for things, not people. It's important to remember that we use which, not that, when we have a comma before the relative clause. For instance, the painting, which I bought at the auction, is now worth double the price. One of the best things about which is that it can be used with prepositions to form more complex expressions. This can make your English sound more advanced. For example, the town in which I was born is known for its beautiful architecture. And there you have it. I hope this session has shed some light on how which operates in defining relative clauses. Remember, which is your friend. It's a powerful tool that can make your sentences more informative and nuanced. So go ahead and start practicing with which. As always, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep unraveling English. See you in our next session.